In a world full of noise, we forgot the silence that once healed us. We touch screens, but not each other's hands. We are surrounded by information, but starving for wisdom. Our eyes are tired, but not from watching the stars, from chasing something that never ends. Once we lived, now we scroll. Dear soul, put down your device. Look around. The wind is still singing. The trees still dance. Your child still needs your eyes, not your likes. Feel the earth. Smell the rain. Hug someone longer. Laugh without filters. You are not made of machines. You are made of stars and roots and dreams. Come back to life. This world misses you. Feel it. Breathe it. This is your moment to feel life, not just survive it. Feel the earth under your feet. Hear the silence speak. This is your moment to feel the real